welcome to my video. If this is your first time here, I'm Robin Kay. I am a Chalk Couture independent designer. And if you don't know what that is, if you don't know what Chalk Couture is, it is a DIY, home decor, direct sales company. And welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing our bird cutout pattern. And I'm going to be putting them on, the surface I'm putting on is these cute little birds cutouts. Here comes little stickies to put the little wings on. And aren't these things so cute? Can't wait to do them. And I'm going to be doing the flowers because that's just the colors that go in my house. I'm doing the blue. And I don't know if I'm going to, I guess it depends on how sticky these are. Whether I'm going to use, we have our surface wax. If you can use min wax, it tends to yellow sometimes your surfaces. And I have already pre-cut it, marked the back of my transfer because these are reusable. So you always want to make sure you put your transfer back on the glossy side. I cut mine this way. A lot of times people, designers will cut them up in pieces. This is just easy for me to store. So if you want to know why I'm doing that, that's why. And I guess we should get started. Okay, there's my birds. They are so cute. I love these. This is a really great kit, and I like the way they turned out. Now you could use the other side, put that on the other side, and you still have wings for the other side. And that's what the kit comes with. It comes with these little sticky things. As you see, I had a little bit of a problem on this one, but that's how they come. And I think this is absolutely adorable. I love the birds. Blue goes with the colors of my house. Well, these colors kind of do. I have gray and black and white, and then with a pop of blue throughout my house. So, if you like this, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave any comments. Details are all down below. And thank you for watching. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!